Hey guys, Sean here. I made a little leather pouch today. I cut this out of a piece of sheepskin that I had. I tell you, it's really nice stuff. Soft, super soft. Then I dyed it with some saddle tan dye right here, and I conditioned it with some saddle soap and this leather cleaner and conditioner. So we'll see how it turns out. Now, this is the first pouch I've ever seen with grommets or eyelets. They work pretty good. I think if I'm going to continue to run paracord, I'm going to step up to a 1/4 inch instead of a 3/16. Thing smells phenomenal. If you like the smell of leather, that is. I just used the worst piece of, the ugliest piece of leather I could find on that hide. That's kind of down by the tail section. So, I'll probably give this one away. We'll see what happens. But I picked up some more leather supplies per se. Got these cases, got a 4-pack from at Menards for like $12 or something. And they can be set up. They come with all these dividers, so you can set them up how you want. This is my 3/16 eyelets. These are a nice high quality eyelet as compared to these. Picked these up at a local craft store. They were on closeout, so I paid $1.50 a pack. So that's pretty good. I'm really digging that copper color. I think that would look nice on a pouch like that. But as my first one, I decided to use the brass colored ones, since I really don't like those. Yeah, I've still got to get my 3mm eyelet setter. That's going to come in handy. These are pretty neat. So yeah, this will be my 3/16 eyelets. There's my setter. There's my snaps and my D-rings. So line 20, 24, different D-rings, some 3/4 inch, some 1 inch. These are a little bit lighter duty. Quarter-inch eyelet box. Yeah, I'll see the shank on that. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see that's too long for that thinner material. So I'm going to have to take a visit to knifekits.com and order up a bunch. And there's the setter. I got that at Tandy when I was over there. Yeah, here's a bunch of punches. Punches in here. I gotta organize this a little bit better. But, yep, it's coming together, slow but sure. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think. I'm really digging the distressing on this. How I did that was I dyed it, and I put some of this Zep leather cleaner and conditioner on it, and then I just rolled it in my hand, twisted it. You can see I got some dye on my hands, but whatever. So, alright, take care guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.